Have you wondered why we use models all the time in the social sciences? Well, let's find out. The truth is the world is far too complex for a social scientist to understand. It's complex for two reasons. First, people are complex. We have our personality, we can think and reason, we can learn, and we certainly don't always act the same. Second, people interact to make everything even more complex. We may behave differently when with friends than with strangers. We may imitate others. We can learn from what happened to others. We can work together, etc. Because we want to understand what's going on, we simplify, we abstract. That's science. We try to identify what aspects are essential for, say, understanding inequality and leave other things out. A model is then a simplified representation of reality, focusing on what's considered essential in a specific situation. A model is thus always created for a specific purpose.